Well, howdy ho, it's me, it's Triple T. We're back again, and we're beyond the fridge. Or, as you know, on top of the fridge. Because life just doesn't get more exciting than this. So tonight I did really something different that I don't do anymore. I ordered from a Chinese restaurant. I did. Look how they prepared this for carrying. So cute. The little... So cute. So we're going to get up into this. This is a one-take video. These look like the bags you get at the grocery store to put your... So, let's see what we got here. Ooh, fuck me sideways. I ordered a combo, which you get a wonton soup. I ordered a spring roll, or an egg roll, or whatever they call them. I ordered deep fried wontons. And I ordered, oh my god, I ordered a combo plate. This looks delicious as well. Holy shit. They didn't give chopsticks, but I have a pair down here. Oh, fuck me. Come right the fuck aboard me. Oh my goodness. Just sensational. What do I do? That's, oh, look guys. This is the deep fried wontons. Oh, I know you guys are just probably Coca-Cola. This is the sauce for the deep fried wontons. A bit skimpy on the sauce, if I'm being honest. Unacceptable. Oh my goodness. This looks sensational. Look at this, guys. Oh, you can't see anything. Christ almighty. Look at this. Get this shit out of the way. Look at that. Oh. Look at that. I don't do thumbnails anymore because I don't have a laptop. And you can't seem to do it on the phone unless you guys know how to. Let me know. Because I can't figure it out, so that's why I don't do thumbnails anymore. Oh my god. Oh, that's good. Oh. Oh my god. Ooh. Mm-hmm. Oh my god. Mm-hmm. Oh. Now, my favorite Chinese restaurant of all time is back home, back in Nova Scotia, which is still open and is family run. Hong Kong, you know, Canadian style cuisine. I do really appreciate how they packed this. A lot of places give you those styrofoam things with the dividers, but this is actually reusable. In the past, from a lot of places that have good dishes, you can either recycle them or reuse them. something like this, if you're going camping, it has a lid. It's an easy thing if you're prepping food, or, you know, if you need a plate, or so stuff does come in handy. Even like in the past, I've reused like Wendy's cups, like, because now they're using the clear plastic ones. Why not? Why does it always have to be something we can throw away? At least we can use it a couple of times, or they didn't give plum sauce though. Usually you get plum sauce with. Okay, y'all. This is like a hard angle to eat at. Let's try and. Oh my goodness. I'm now standing up. Oh. Yeah, not bad. Don't be looking at my big old titties sagging down. Sagging down, and Christ, get all the lesbian girls excited. Ooh. Let's try wonton soup. Oh, that's nice. Oh, it's always nice to have a broth. Oh my god. Oh! Christ, she flopped out of there like a slat in heat. Oh my god. I hope nobody can see me in through my windows. I'll show you guys. Oh, I never thought about going all the way up here. Jesus. What do you do for views? Tell me. Are you as high as the ceilings? It's a long ways down to the floor. Oh, guys. Have you ever? I'm on Crazy Bitch. Mm. Mm. Oh my god. Mm. 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 Oh. Mm. 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 Oh. Their deep fried wonton is okay. I've had much better before. Much better. Christ, I can't get one of these boys. Mm. This stuff is like nothing. When I was in Hong Kong, like I remember going to this like little hole in the wall place. I was only there for 24 hours, but definitely utilized my time there. And we went to some noodle place, and I was like, ah, this is so good. Feels different than here for like Chinese Hong Kong style food. I think I pretty much ate a lot of like, I remember eating in the 24 hours I was there, I ate like noodle soups. Every time I was like, noodle soup, noodle soup, noodle soup. I was obsessed with noodle soup then. I don't know. These noodles taste okay. I'm really picky when it comes to Chinese food. Overall, it was okay. I never ordered from this place before. The Chinese restaurant close to my house is much better than this. It's much better. And I'm like a loyal bitch. And this place is like a hole in the wall. It's nothing like the place I lived in Halifax. The place I lived in Halifax was called Silver Dragon. What a cool name, I think, for a restaurant. All family run. But they have a bar with like bar stools, and like I remember I'd be like, can I have a Singapore sling? And she'd make me in and she'd talk to me. It was funny though, because when I was moving out here, she's like, oh, Michael, she's like, you're going to meet so many Asian girl in Vancouver. She was like, many. And I'm like, haha. Little do you know, mama. Wasn't quite looking for the puss. Yeah. Now, I've known about this place for years, Burnaby Palace, it's called. It has good ratings, but I really don't taste anything super special. I usually like spicy Szechuan. But I thought, you know what? Let's come on up in here and eat something different. Okay, guys, I'm full. I need to end the video. Oh. Oh. Sorry, guys. I need to burp. She ain't passing down, mama. Come the fuck aboard me. I'm full. Okay, y'all. Thanks for joining me. This video is at 15 minutes. We had a fun old time, but we're going to end it. Because Mama is... Oh. Mama's full. Bye. Keep a cool tool and don't let anything loaf. And we'll catch you next time on Beyond the Fridge.